Okay, listen. I've spent a full day, 22 euros, and a lot of caffeine trying to answer one question. And the answer is not what I expected. But to explain that, I need to take you back to the start, where this whole thing began with a single 2 AM YouTube recommendation. And one night, the algorithm sent me with this video. Some guy has 4 AI agents running at the same time, programming together, coordinating, shipping features, 4 of them working in parallel. I sit there, I stare at it, and the thought arrives formally formed. Could AI finally make a Minecraft mod on its own? So, the step 1, go cheap. I downloaded a local model through Olama because I refuse to pay for things until proven otherwise. I fire it up, ask it to make a Minecraft mod, and the code doesn't compile. So it's fine. If I want real results, I need the real thing. So I open my wallet, I make eye contact with my bank account, and then I drop 22 euros on Claude Pro. The mission has started. Setup time. So I set up Fabric, IntelliJ, I log into Claude using the terminal of IntelliJ, but I can't just swing it. So I need 6 challenges, and each water should be harder than the last one. So the 6 challenges are simple. A custom item, an advanced custom item, which gives the player speed 2, an anti-gravity block, then a smelting XP boost, a backpack item, and last but not least, a custom dimension, the hardest of them all. I'll ask Klaus to make something, and I'll try it if it works. That's everything, to be honest. Nothing too crazy. So, challenge 1, a custom item. This was actually the easiest one out of everything. It should be able to do it without any errors. So after instructing Claude of what to do, I waited a little bit till all the code generated, and started my game to see what actually had been made. What is it called? Neural 4. What the fuck? Okay. I mean... Wait, I added it. I guess it's a placeholder. I'm supposed to add the picture, I guess. But you know what? First challenge complete. Add a custom item. Add a custom item. Okay, wait. This one was honestly too simple. And because of that, we'll make it an advanced item that gives us speed 2 on right click with some other stuff like a cooldown and particles. So basically challenge 2, super speed. Again, Claude writes it all again. I launched the game. This is gonna be... Oh, what the hell? Okay, it has a cooldown because I'm spamming it. I don't know if you guys can hear that. Look, it plays some really decent particles and doesn't look like it's bad. No, this is decent. I would use that like in a mod, an actual mod. I would have that in a mod pack. If you give it like a cool orb skin or whatever, a one-time orb skin. This could be used. Instant potion, for example. This could be an instant potion. Instead of drinking it, you just splash it. Moving on, challenge 3, the anti-gravity block. Now, for this one, I wasn't really sure if it was gonna work because it's a little bit harder, but let's see what it will do. So again, I instruct Claude to add that new feature, and I wait till I can launch Minecraft and see what is cooked
Block
up.
confirmed working. And it also added some nice particles with it. Nice. I did not expect that to work, to be honest. So, challenge number 4, smelting XP boost. This one is a little bit harder since it uses mixins, and I personally don't know how to use them myself that good, so let's see what we'll do.
So after running for the 3rd time today what Claude should do, I waited a little bit till it was all done, and I launched Minecraft for the 3rd time today. I think you're supposed to get XP when I'm smelting stuff, but okay. You know what, that's fine. I might be wrong. Okay, yeah, okay, guys, I think we all know that first is I'm supposed to be dropping 10 XP per one. Yeah, okay, it worked. Oh my god.
So I generally sit there waiting for something to break and nothing does. And I'm kinda getting worried slowly because if it can do mixins, what can it not do at this point? So let's hit 5, the backpack. One of the hardest challenges of them all, which requires a ton of stuff. And at this point, I believe it won't really work because it needs a custom GUI, a custom inventory, NBT data. There are 4 things that have all to work together for the backpack to be actually usable. I actually give it some extra instructions, like I wanted to use a keybind to open the inventory. I want it to be wearable and visible when it is worn, and that's generally it. Let's see what it cooks up.
A few moments later.
Oh, right here we have our first error. Claude,
Fix this, please.
And Claude figured out the issue immediately and fixes the problem at the same time. So I run the game in, and this is the result.
Back. Huh? Oh, backpack. Okay, not bad. I couldn't tell. Oh my god. You can't put the on backpack in, so that's cool. It works. Can we put it on? Oh my. No. No, no. No. It works with a keybind as well. Holy moly. Oh my god.
And this is the part generally got me. Not that it wrote working code, it's that it could debug its own mistake from a description that used to be the main problem. It would break after that step and not fix the bug, but rather be in an endless loop of failing to fix the bug. Apparently the problem isn't there anymore. So that's good, I guess. This is getting scary. So let's move on to the custom dimension. Okay, I need you to understand what this means in Minecraft modding terms. Adding an item is something very simple. There are tons of tutorials for it. Adding a block is slightly harder, but it's still as simple as adding an item. But adding a new entire dimension is way harder. It needs world generation, biome registries, portal logic, teleportation, 4 different systems holding hands and praying. And this is the one that actually I've attempted myself before and I failed. So let's see if I can do it. So I tap out the prompt. I ask for a flat snow biome, a working portal that's made of snow blocks and portal blocks, and I hit enter. And I lean back and wait. After about 30 to 20 minutes and a lot of thinking, it was actually able to do it. So I open Minecraft and it crashed. I can't generate a world. So I tell what the problem is, it looks for it, and it manages to fix it. Somehow, out of my own words, I explained to it what to do, and it figured out how and what it needs to fix. Somehow. I didn't give it even an error code. I just told it that Minecraft keeps crashing.
Now, what did you need? We needed snow block. I read that it needed just the minimum size of a portal. The minimum size is this one. Wait. So, if I wait, I think I need to right click with the snowball. Okay, so if I throw this, it should open a portal. No. No. Wait. Okay, I mean it spawns slimes, but bro. It's it. This is it, no? Yeah, it's a flat world. Holy moly. Wait, but there's no portal. Maybe we can go back by making another portal. Okay. Where am I? Okay, you know what? It doesn't work that well, but you know what? It's better than nothing. It's better than nothing. Let's be honest. This works. And you can very likely tweak it as you want throughout the day, So I sat there for an embarrassingly long time in my own custom dimension, made by a chatbot, for 22 euros in one day. You know how long this would have taken me by hand realistically? A weekend, maybe even more, just to learn how everything freaking works. And I just watched AI do it in an afternoon with 2 bugs that fixed itself. Okay, so the barrier between I have a Minecraft modding idea and I have a Minecraft mod used to be days. Now it's a prompt and some patience and 22 euros? Are we serious right now? Okay, I need to come clean about something. This video isn't really about whether AI can make a Minecraft. You probably knew it could do it nowadays, because it's been 3 years. I kind of knew it could. This is about what it feels like to watch something you used to be proud of taking time, just not taking time anymore. Because I can do this stuff, I've learned most of it, I've spent the weekends on it just learning, and the only thing I actually had to do this time was know what I wanted. They took away the essence of learning Java and learning stuff, instead of just asking and playing.
It breaks my heart a little, thinking about how much of this will evolve in a few more years, where it might be able to do even more. But yeah, anyways, if this video hits 1000 likes, a part 2 is happening. Write in the comments what you would like to see vibe coded next. I'll see you next one. Bye!